Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very simple Java question. What is encapsulation? Though it's a very big topic, you can give simple definitions to the interviewer. How to achieve it in Java? Encapsulation means you're putting a force field around my instance variable, so nobody can set them to, let's say, something inappropriate or invalid. For example, in your application you are maintaining number of days in a week, or something that it should not be negative value. For example, number of days in a week and the salary, because salary will never become negative, so something like that. So these as variables are very sensitive, and you should not mark those variables as negative. You should not mark those variables as public, because public means anyone can access this variable at any point of time. So that's where encapsulation comes into picture. Encapsulation means I want to protect my instance variables, I want to protect my implementation, okay, without breaking the current code. So it's like you are giving a contract, like you are giving a contract through API, like get size, get name, get color, something like this contract. Okay, later point of time you want to change this method. For example, whenever someone says get color, get size, I want to read from a property file, I want to read from a text file and give it to them. If you directly allow anyone to access the size variable, okay, by marking this size variable as public, it's like they can do anything. Okay, for example, human height, it should be 6 feet or something. So if they have marked -2 feet, there is nothing called -2 feet. So those variables which are sensitive, we should protect it from people making it invalid. So what we can do, keep instance or object variables protected with an access modifier, often private. So you should never mark an instance variable as public, it should always be private. Then how people can access, other classes can access? Simple, make public access methods and force calling code to use those methods rather than directly accessing instance variables. So please remember, never ever allow anyone to directly access the instance variable. It is very dangerous. For example, you are dealing with the human heights, it should be 6 feet, from 1 to 6 to 7 feet, something like that. Okay, if accidentally people are setting it to -3 feet, it's really dangerous. So that's why you should never allow them to access the variable directly. So give them a method, let them do set height, get height, let them do it, no problem. Okay, so even after few releases you are changing that, okay, I don't want to directly assign value, I want to read from database. So still the API remains the same, get size and set size. So get size remains the same. So when they call the get size, we are reading from the database. They don't know what has happened. So we are hiding the implementation from the users. That means whoever is using my class, it's like a user. So encapsulation means hiding the implementation, okay, protecting my code, okay, without breaking any contract or API. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best. If you like this video, please press the like button. Thank you.